Hi darling, so today I'm going to be talking to you about the FOREO Espada, which is this little guy. And I got this gifted from FOREO a long time ago, but I just wanted to do my review of this today. So this is the FOREO Espada. I got the pink color because I like pink. And basically it's for acne. I don't really have like a lot of acne, but I do get like pimples and stuff. So if you can see like right here and like right here, there's some marks from my pimples, but I've been having a good skincare routine lately, so I don't have any active ones right now. But this is what I use when I usually do get a pimple, and all it basically does is it's blue light. So if I turn it on, you see it makes that little red light, and then once it picks a point, you'll see the blue light. And then that's how it works. So basically what this does is it uses blue light to target pimples and then kill the bacteria. And then that's supposed to help with the process of healing the pimple. So I just showed you how I use it on my skin when I do have a pimple. And I've noticed that like this works really good for like when you have a pimple that's like on the rise. Like you can kind of feel it, but it's not really there on your skin as much. And yeah, they say you can use it for blackheads and stuff, but I haven't found it that helpful for blackheads, but I find it really helpful when I feel like I'm going to get a pimple coming, and then I use this blue light to help prevent it from getting worse. So that's what I found this device to be helpful for. But if you do have a whitehead, I just recommend using like a pimple patch like the Hero Cosmetics ones or Cosrx. Like both of those are really good. You don't need the fancy device for this. This fancy device is basically for like when you feel a pimple on the rise. It can help prevent that pimple from getting worse. So yeah, it's pretty easy to use, and I think you get about 50 uses with one charge. And it's like the USB charger. I don't have the charger on me right now, but you just plug it in and charge it like you would with any other FOREO device, and it's the same FOREO charger. So I think you do get a pretty like good use out of this. I would recommend this to anybody who like gets pimples frequently and like is sick and tired of dealing with them. Like this device has been a lifesaver. However, if you're someone who doesn't get pimples that frequently, then you probably don't need this because it is pricey. I think it's like $150-ish. So, I mean, I didn't pay the price because I got this gifted, but like if I did have to buy it, then I would buy this because it has helped me a lot in situations where I've gotten pimples all over and stuff. So yeah, and then it is travel friendly. Like I'm in California on vacation right now, and I was able to bring this with me through like the flight and stuff. So it's pretty travel friendly, and like it's pretty easy to store and stuff because it comes with this cute little bag. So that's what I like about it. The downside, I think like the downside is basically that you can't really use it with every type of pimple you have. Like for example, if you have like blackheads on your nose, I haven't noticed that much of a difference with this. But yeah, like I said, if you have pimples on the rise, it can be really helpful. Again, whiteheads, like yeah, it'll help kill the bacteria, but you're still gonna have that whitehead there. So I recommend a pimple sticker, like I mentioned earlier. It's recommended. So yeah, that's basically it for the FOREO Espada. If you're looking for a similar device or like a better device, you can try out FOREO UFO 2. That also has the blue light option in it, but it's a whole like face mask. So you can try out like different options in the face mask. And I know a lot of people have the FOREO UFO or like UFO 2, and then they just use the blue light setting on that to use it kind of like this. But they also have the face mask options in the UFO 2. And I have videos on FOREO UFO 2 as well, so you can check them out. And yeah, so I hope this video was helpful, and let me know what you think. Bye!